Well, the campaign for perhaps the most high-stakes Delhi battle in decades will come to a close. On the final day, all the parties have gone full throttle to woo the voters in the capital. And they have been hard-selling reveries and rebates to the electorate. A closer look at the speeches and social media timelines define the poll pitch of those in the fray. Armed with mega tax breaks for the middle class, the BJP is banking on 67% households in Delhi to improve its poll prospects. For the Aam Aadmi Party, though, it's about convincing and also fear-mongering about the existing schemes, while the Congress Party is still looking for a main target and is waging a two-front war against both the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. For the two main contenders, things seem to have boiled down to 12 lakh no tax versus 25,000 savings per month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his final rally in Delhi, banked big on the union budget and said that the BJP is the only party that respects and honors honest taxpayers. The Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal, on the other hand, speaks of bumper bachai due to his schemes, something that he claims will come to a halt if the Aam Aadmi Party fails to make a comeback.
बसंत पंचमी के साथ ही मौसम बदलना शुरू हो जाता है। तीन दिन बाद 5 फरवरी को दिल्ली में विकास का नया बसंत आने वाला है। इस बार दिल्ली में भाजपा सरकार बनने जा रही है। इस बार पूरी दिल्ली कह रही है, अब की बार
बीजेपी ने कहा है कि अगर वो आ गए तो वो दिल्ली वालों की 5 सुविधाएं बंद कर देंगे। इससे लोगों को लगभग 20 से 25 हजार रुपए का महीने का नुकसान होना शुरू हो जाएगा। तो लोग नहीं चाहते कि इस तरह से उनको नुकसान हो, तो लोग आम आदमी पार्टी को वोट देंगे और जो हम 2100 रुपए वाली हमारी योजना है उससे लोगों को और भी फायदा होगा। और जिस तरह से बीजेपी वाले पूरे गुंडागर्दी पे उतरे हुए हैं, दिल्ली के लोगों ने ऐसी गुंडागर्दी देखी नहीं है।
My colleague Nyamika is joining us over the phone line with the details. Nyamika, today is the last day of the campaign. All parties pulling stops to woo the voters. What's expected today as far as the campaigns are concerned? For the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, though, the focus has been on the savings for the common man.
Well, indeed, as today is the last day of campaigning ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, there are mega rallies which are being planned by all the three parties, both from BJP to Aam Aadmi Party to the Congress as well. There are mega rallies which are being planned today as well on the last day of campaigning in the national capital. As on one side, we are witnessing that how the BJP is claiming that this budget, the union budget, which is being presented by the union finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, has given a big relief to the middle class people, and that is also going to make an impact on the ground as ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. While on the other side, it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is making this claim that it is because of the schemes of the Aam Aadmi Party government that the people of Delhi will be able to save at least 25,000 per month, as whether it is about the education sector or the health sector. All these schemes which are being introduced by the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, that is going to save a lot of money to the common man of the national capital. But on the other side, if we talk about the vote bank in particular, then it is surely going to make an impact. The manner in which the various claims are being made against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, against the Aam Aadmi Party government, both by the BJP as well as by the Congress Party, whether it is about the residence of the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the manner in which recently another video of the name which has been given to the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Sheesh Mahal, has come out in open. All these questions are basically being put up by not just by the BJP but also by the high command of the Congress Party. Yesterday only there were 3 rallies which were being addressed by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in which they have targeted Mr. Arvind Kejriwal directly by saying that on one side he used to portray an image of a common man when he had entered into the politics, but soon after that he has been exposed by the manner in which this Sheesh Sheesh Mahal was being built by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal by the taxpayers' money, as it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who had made this allegation against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who has keep on mentioning about the Sheesh Mahal, but the money which is being used to build this Sheesh Mahal is of the taxpayers' money, not of Arvind Kejriwal's money. On the other side, Rahul Gandhi has also given this claim that he used to make a lot of promises about the cleanliness of Yamuna. He had also made this promise that once this Yamuna will be cleaned, he will also take a dip into the Yamuna as well as drink its water. On the other side, Rahul Gandhi has mentioned that on this day when Arvind Kejriwal will drink the water of Yamuna, he will directly go to the hospital. So that was a big statement which was being made by Rahul Gandhi, but it will be really interesting to see that how the Delhi Assembly elections are going to be done, as for that reason the Congress party is not just going to be a vote cutter, but it is also a question of its existence on the ground, whether it will be able to secure any of the seats in the upcoming assembly elections or not. On the other side, whether the same government will be formed or there will be a change in power, whether there will be a challenge which is going to be imposed by the BJP, because the BJP is saying that all these incidents that are taking place, all these allegations which Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is leveling against the BJP, that is only because he is rattled, he is not confident of winning these assembly elections, and that is the reason why he is making these claims that the BJP leaders, the BJP workers are attacking upon the Aam Aadmi Party workers. Even yesterday also we have seen that how the Aam Aadmi Party had made this allegation that it is the BJP workers who had attacked car which was related to the Aam Aadmi Party. As
Yes.
on the other side, the BJP is making this claim that it was the Valmiki Samaj people who are not really satisfied and very
Yes.
much upset with the schemes of the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the only reason why such kind of incident has taken place on the ground.
Absolutely. Has it become a two-way battle in the national capital? From once dominating the Delhi politics and securing 3 consecutive terms under the Sheila Dikshit leadership, the Congress party now seems to have been reduced to a vote cutter after a sharp decline in recent years, failing to win any seat in the assembly polls in 2015 and then in 2020 as well. After much dithering, its star campaigner Rahul Gandhi has finally started making a no-holds-barred attack at the rally, and his aim is at Arvind Kejriwal, and the aggression that he usually reserves for the BJP was seen being unleashed on Arvind Kejriwal. Listen in.
ये आपका पीने का पानी है, इसको देखिए, इसमें बदबू आ रही है। केजरीवाल जी ने वायदा किया था कि 5 साल के अंदर मैं दिल्ली का पानी साफ कर दूंगा, यमुना जी में जाके नहाऊंगा, यमुना का पानी पीऊंगा। केजरीवाल जी, दिल्ली का पानी पी लीजिए, 1 गिलास पी लीजिए, फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है। अस्पताल में मिलेंगे आपसे। कहते हैं मैं गरीबों की राजनीति करूंगा, मैं कमजोर वर्गों की राजनीति करूंगा। वैगन आर में आए, स्वेटर पहने, खंबे पे चढ़ गए, फिर खंबे से उतरे और सीधा शीश महल के अंदर गए।
आज मोदी जी केजरीवाल जी की आलोचना कर रहे हैं कि केजरीवाल जी ने शीश महल बनाया। वाह, कैसा महल बनाया अपने लिए, लाखों के दरवाजे, संगमरमर, सब कुछ अपने लिए बनाया। किसके पैसे से? वो करोड़ों का शीश महल किसके पैसों से बना है? ये आपका पैसा है, आपकी संपत्ति है, आपका देश है, संभालो इसको।
और अरविंद केजरीवाल ने क्या किया? आया पैदल, वोट मांगे और अब जाकर शीश महल में घुस गया। अरे जो आदमी छोटी सी गाड़ी चलाते शो करता था, लोगों को दिखाता था, अरे पापी जा रहा कहाँ है, कितने छोटी गाड़ी में जा रहा है। अब छोटी गाड़ी छोड़ के 10-10 गाड़ियां, 20-20 गाड़ियां उसके साथ आ रहे हैं। यह उसकी सिंप्लिसिटी है। झूठ बोल बोलकर ये अरविंद केजरीवाल एक तरफ और उसका बाबा यहां जो बैठा दिल्ली में, मोदी, उन्होंने एक तरफ। ये दोनों झूठों के सरदार हैं।
So, while the Congress party has decided to take aim at Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party over the Sheesh Mahal, for the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, apart from the political attacks, it's also the savings that could change the poll calculations in the national capital. Let's take a look at what are the promises that are being made, and one mention that the Prime Minister made was also of how things have changed under the BJP government, under the NDA government versus what would happen several decades ago, saying that under the Modi government it has been reduced to zero tax on an income of 12 lakh rupees, whereas during Nehru's time, it was 25% tax on those who earned 12 lakh income. This was back in 1970. In fact, saying that things have changed over time. In 1970, direct taxes were at 93.5%. Then it became 97.5%. And even under Manmohan Singh, it was 2.6 lakh as taxes on income of 12 lakh rupees. So this was what was said by the Prime Minister. This is going to have an impact in the elections or not is going to be interesting to see. Prime Minister Modi, in a large part of his speech, spoke about the budget and the impact that it's going to have on the middle class and the poor. He said that his government is working towards ensuring that people in the middle class, the honest taxpayers, don't get burdened. In fact, he went on to say that the BJP government is the only government that ensures that the honest taxpayers are honoured. And well, with that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. We'll be right back with lots more. Do stay with us.